Only 5 times in Missouri large class sports history has a softball team won back-to-back state championships. And that's what we're here to celebrate today with these ladies behind the table.
It's just so much fun to be able to share it with others. It just continues to unite our Blue Springs community and to show that our kids here do amazing things with amazing support from our principals, from our athletic directors, from our superintendent, from the teachers that are in their lives every day. It just shows how much they're able to unite a school.
Like everybody around you is telling you congrats, and they're all happy for you, and it's just nice to know to be a part of something that everybody cares about. It makes you appreciate it more just because you're playing with all your best friends, and just knowing you get to experience something so great with all the people that you love and care about.